The 3-day Training-Cum-Awareness program that was organized by the Pynroilang Self Help Group, Phlangmawsyrpat Mawsynram C&RD Block, had come to a close on the 5th of July 2022. The chief guest on the occasion was Olansing Suin, while others present included the Officer of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary of Hat Mawdon Dispensary, Dr. E Syiem, the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer, Manai Training Centre, Dr. Ms. I Kharlukhi, the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer, Lawbah Dispensary, Dr. Ms. M.Sangma, besides others.
Doktor tesnya kepahaman arsin cismi kepahaman arsin cismi jadi.
Arsin cismi. I mean step. Kasih orang por kat nubu GVI. Step.